All right, it's Thursday, September 14th, just following up on NVDA, kind of here on my laptop computer. But I just scaled out to kind of set up a no-risk trade. I bought the 460 puts at 770, just scaled out at some of the position at 9. They're asking 920 right now. This is the 1-minute chart heading down. But as I discussed, I bought the puts kind of around here when I came back to check out the markets midday. Seeing this red bar kind of forming here, I was anticipating taking out the lows of the day, which we've done. And then you want to see at this point whether it holds or it can, or it and reverses back up, or does it maybe continue to bigger picture levels? And in the bigger picture, again, I'm looking at this potential 2-down failure today that started above previous high, but had structure down all day long on the 15-minute chart. If we can get to the halfway point of that bar, we can be coming down to the lows of yesterday. And again, in the big picture I discussed on the previous video, I'm looking for that gap to be filled in if things get weak. So, it was kind of a chain reaction where I thought high probability you take out the pre-market, the intraday lows, which it did. Then it's a question of, it's kind of one push down, two pushes down on the day, which I always look for. It doesn't mean it can't go a lot lower, but at this point it also could fail and kind of reverse. So I'm at no risk right now. If it decides to fail and come back, then I can kind of take a small gain on the trade. If it really continues lower to some of the bigger targets, I could really do well on this trade as well. Just expecting the potential failure day. That's the thing. You still have potential, even with the two pushes down on the day. If we can get through this midpoint, we could be heading really have a big fall on this stock. But you never know. So anyway, it's at no risk. I'll see what happens on the 15-minute chart here. You can take a base hit gain on this right here too, just kind of expecting this kind of second push down, but I'll give it a little more time to see if we maybe fail on the day, get that 3 bar to the downside. Because like I said, on the weekly chart, I think we're kind of working down towards, we hit this target here on this 2-down week. But I see another target here with a little gap in here that we can go low, another 10 points lower or so. So we will see if today is the failure day, and then, maybe follow through in the days ahead. Watch that 15-minute chart to see if this is just, kind of a pretty big move down, or if it just ends up being more one push, kind of 2 pushes, and that's it for the day. But we have the potential to go a lot lower, so we will see what unfolds. The options here you can see are up to 930 already, asking 945. Bought those at 770. So really nice trade on NVIDIA puts. We'll just see how much lower it goes today with, what do we got? About a little less than 2 hours to go in the trading session.